Hello, and welcome back to 5-Minute Science. We are diving into a fascinating topic that has stunned scientists, researchers, and the general public alike. We are going to explore the potential effects of an upcoming geomagnetic reversal on Earth. What is a geomagnetic reversal, you might ask? Well, it's a phenomenon where the north and south magnetic poles of our planet switch places, creating a whole new magnetic orientation. Sounds crazy, right? But it's not science fiction. It is a science fact, and it could happen sooner than you think. So get ready for an incredible scientific journey, and let's dive right in. Before we delve into the potential impacts, let's first understand what a geomagnetic reversal actually is. As we know, our Earth has a magnetic field that surrounds and protects it. This field, known as the magnetosphere, is generated by the movement of molten iron in our planet's outer core. But here's the mind-blowing part. This magnetic field is not static. It undergoes periodic reversals, where the north and south magnetic poles switch places. This means that the compass needle that points to the north today could point to the south tomorrow, and vice versa. How insane is that? Throughout Earth's history, geomagnetic reversals have occurred, leaving their imprint in geological records. By studying these records, scientists have discovered that reversals have happened several times in the past, with no fixed time frame. The last full reversal, known as the Brunhes-Matuyama reversal, occurred approximately 780,000 years ago. That's a long time ago, but not that long in geological terms. However, we must stress that predicting the exact timing of the next reversal remains a challenging task for scientists. Some estimates suggest that we are overdue for a reversal, while others indicate that we are still far from it. The truth is, we don't know for sure when it will happen, but we do know that it will happen eventually. Now, let's examine the potential scale of impact the upcoming geomagnetic reversal could have on our planet. One of the most immediate effects will be the reduction of our magnetic field during the transition period. This reduction could expose us to more harmful cosmic radiation from the sun, which would be a problem for both technology-dependent society and living organisms. You see, our magnetic field acts like a barrier, blocking and absorbing the charged particles that shower our planet from the sun and other sources. These particles, known as the solar wind, can harm our electronics, interfere with our communication systems, and even affect our health. Without a strong magnetic field, we could face serious consequences. Intriguingly, studies suggest that during a reversal, the magnetic field might not completely disappear, but instead becomes highly distorted. This means that compasses might point in unusual directions, leading to potential navigational challenges for both animals and humans who rely on magnetic sensing. For example, some birds, fish, and insects use the Earth's magnetic field to orient themselves and migrate across long distances. If the magnetic field changes, they could lose their way and end up in unfamiliar or hostile environments. Similarly, some human activities such as aviation, maritime, and military operations depend on accurate magnetic readings for navigation and positioning. If the magnetic field becomes unreliable, they could face difficulties and risks. Since our modern world heavily relies on advanced technology, it is vital to explore how a geomagnetic reversal could impact our digital infrastructure. The weakened magnetic field could significantly impact power grids, satellite communication systems, and even crucial components in our electronic devices. Imagine the chaos that could ensue if power grids were to fail or critical satellites were rendered useless. We could experience blackouts, data loss, network outages, and more. Not to state the economic and social values that could result from such disruptions. Now let's explore the implications of a geomagnetic reversal on our environment and the fascinating biological world around us. Animal migration patterns could be affected, as many species rely on Earth's magnetic field for navigation during their journeys. Disruptions to these patterns might not only impact the survival of certain species, but also create imbalances within ecosystems. Some studies even suggest that geomagnetic reversals could trigger increased volcanic and seismic activity. While the cause and effect relationship is not yet fully understood, the weakening of the magnetic field during a reversal could potentially influence the flow of magma beneath the Earth's surface. This presents an intriguing possibility for further scientific exploration and understanding. Could a geomagnetic reversal cause more eruptions, earthquakes, and tsunamis? How would that affect our climate, our landscapes, and our lives? These are some of the questions that scientists are trying to answer. Well, that's all for today. We hope you enjoyed this episode and learned something new and exciting. Geomagnetic reversals are truly fascinating phenomena that could have profound implications for our planet and its inhabitants. As always, we encourage you to do your own research and share your thoughts and opinions with us in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.